Hey everybody, I wanted to tell you about a fantastic new tool you're going to love having in your gardening shed as well. Now look, it's called a power planter and I've got one here today. Now I bet you're saying, why on earth would you have a drill in your gardening tools? Well, when you attach a power planter to the end of that drill, it does something pretty magical. You can use it to actually drill holes in the ground, and it actually makes digging holes fun. Now nobody likes digging with a spade, it's hard work. But when you get the power planter and you just drill into the soil, it actually goes straight in, leaves a nice empty hole for you, ready to put the plants in. So let's get out in the garden and we'll give this thing a test. Look, before I do that, let me show you what this ground's actually like. I've got a little hand trowel here and I can dig into that ground. Now, if I put my full weight onto there, I can push into that soil, all right? That's how hard it is. If I dig into there, that's taken a lot of effort to actually dig in there, all right? So let's see the difference. This is with the power planter. There we go, nice deep hole, perfectly dug, and it's put the soil around the edge here. Now the other thing you can do with it as well is actually go sideways with it. And you can actually use it to cultivate the ground. So if you've got a small garden bed, you can use your power planter like an expensive rotary hoe. I feel like we're mixing a cake here. Bit of mud pie maybe. And you remember how hard that soil was before when I used it with a hand trowel. And look at that now. It's all broken up. Beautiful. We've got our little tube plant here. I'm just going to squeeze this out. It's been in water, so it's pretty wet. Good way to do it. Put it over to here, and then we just pack the soil in back around it, and she's done. Now the hard bit of that would have been the digging. And this tool takes away that and makes it fun again.
What we've been doing for the last year is digging holes in the ground here, like that. Then we've been using our auger to dig like that. Now since I got power planter, I'm just over the moon, because now all I do that is brilliant. That has just saved me so much time and effort, back-breaking work. Do yourself a favour and get one.
We live on the Bellarine Peninsula in Victoria. It's the start of autumn after a dry long summer, and I'm keen to get my autumn planting done, but the ground is very hard, and it would normally take me at least half an hour to dig a hole for my planting. So I've gone and invested in the power planter, and I've got the 312 here, and I'm going to see how I go using it here for the first time. That is just brilliant. Come and have a look at this hole. So that's my start there. So what I could now do is go get my compost and keep the hole a bit bigger, widen it up, put my compost in, dig it all up, and I'd be ready to plant. That was really easy. Really happy with that, really excited. I've got some other sizes to try out, but that is everything I'd hoped for. So good on you, Brian. Thanks very much.
You can see a power planter is a fantastic addition to have in your garden shed. Now there's a few in the range, let me show them to you. First of all, we've got the 207. Now that sounds impressive, but it's actually the smallest one in the range. Here it is, 7 inches long, 2 inches wide. It's perfect for planting seedlings and vegetables, okay? So if you like to get out in the veggie garden and plant from those punnets, this is the perfect tool for that. It gives you great soil to root contact, which helps the vegetables grow better. Okay, next one in the range is the 307, here we go. This one's a little bit bigger. It's the same length though, but a little bit wider here in the girth. And it's great for digging a bigger hole, good for potted colour or for just general gardening use. Now the great thing about the 307 is it has kind of like a sister. Here it is, ready? It's pink. Here we go. There is a pink 307 as well. So look, this could be for the ladies. It is quite suitable for you to actually order this one, but that'd be generalizing. I reckon blokes buy the pink one and no one will ever steal it off you ever. Okay, and the next one in the range is the 312. Now I've got the drill attached to this one here. I've got a great looking DeWalt drill. Here we go, we use and recommend DeWalt, fantastic drills. This is a 12-inch power planter here. Now this is a great one because it's a general purpose. You can kind of kneel, you can stand a little bit, you can dig sideways in it to cultivate the soil like you saw me doing before. 3-inch wide diameter here, solid steel shaft built like a tank. Great stuff. And then the last one in the range, which is my favorite, is the 324. Here we go. So this is 3 inches wide again, the hole, but we've got 24 inches long, which is fantastic because you can use it while you're standing up. So if you don't want to be on your knees all the time, you've got a lot of holes to dig. You saw me using it before. I was able to stand up and still drill the holes and get through a lot. So look, there's a fantastic range there. I really hope you'll get one for your garden and have a bit of fun. Make gardening fun again is what we say. You can order it from the website. And my name's Brian from Power Planner Australia.